Okay, guys, I'm back with another delicious meal. We're making chicken stuff with the creamy spinach filling and a quiche. Let's meal prep for the week. I start with the spinach because it's going to be a part of both meals. I used a stick of butter, a drop of garlic, and then next I started cooking up the sausage because it's going to go into the quiche. I then layered my pan and I went ahead and added some crumbled real bacon in there. I mixed up the eggs. I think I used about 6 eggs. You can use less if you like. I added cheese in that sausage that I cooked. I crumbled it up and put it on top. After I add the egg, I went ahead and placed it into the oven and started on my chicken. I washed and cleaned it, and then I started seasoning. I like to season until I like the color or until the ancestors tell me to stop, you know. I made pockets into the chicken, and then I started my mixture. It's just my same cooked spinach with cream cheese added to it. It looks so good. I stuffed the chicken through the pockets that I made. I forgot toothpicks. Don't forget those. The toothpicks are important because they help hold the meat together and your filling won't fall out. But this is the chicken cooking. This is my quiche after it's all done. And here is my chicken. And I forgot to tell y'all, I like to see a little bit of a burn mark before I add the chicken broth. But just watch me cut into this chicken, y'all. It is so good. It's a creamy, cheesy spinach mixture inside, and it just looks amazing. The chicken is cooked perfectly. My family loved it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.